In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos from WhatsApp. Change the background. We'll do this right inside WhatsApp Web using the Meta AI chat, so you don't need any extra software. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type WhatsApp, then click the official WhatsApp website. From there, open WhatsApp Web and log into your account. If you're on a computer, you'll typically scan a QR code with your phone to link your account. Make sure your phone stays connected to the internet so the web session remains active. Once you're in WhatsApp Web, look to the left side panel where your chats and tools live. Find the Meta AI icon and click it to open a new conversation with the AI. If you don't see the icon, try refreshing the page or checking that you're on the latest version of WhatsApp Web, as availability can vary by region and account. When the Meta AI chat opens, we'll begin by generating a base image. In the message box, type the / command to create an image, then add your prompt. For example, you can write, "Imagine a car race on Mars." Using the / command signals to the assistant that you're requesting an image, which helps it respond correctly. Send the message and give it a moment. The AI will process your request and return a generated image. Rendering time can vary, so be patient while it does its thing. After the image appears, we'll edit it by changing the background. To keep the edit context-aware, reply directly to the AI's image message so it knows which picture to modify. In your reply, use the imaging command again and be specific about the new background. For example, imagine this photo with background on beach. Make it look realistic and naturally blended. Clear, descriptive prompts help the AI understand your goal and produce a cleaner result. Click Send and wait while it generates the edited version. When the updated image comes back, review how naturally the subject blends with the new background. If lighting or color looks off, you can refine your prompt with details like match the lighting to sunset or keep shadows consistent. And one important reminder, whenever you generate or edit an image in this chat, start your request with the /imaging command, such as /imagine or the equivalent available to you, so the assistant treats it as an image task. That's it. You used WhatsApp Web and Meta AI to generate a photo and change its background quickly and cleanly, all without leaving your browser.